Welcome to our new YouTube series on Linux.
Thanks, I'm excited to learn more about Linux.
Linux is an open-source operating system, acting as the bridge between applications and hardware in a computing system.
That's interesting. How does it manage resources like CPU, memory, and storage?
Linux ensures that your software and physical components work seamlessly together.
I've heard that Linux is often associated with command lines. What makes it unique?
Unlike graphical user interfaces, the command line allows you to instruct software to perform specific hardware actions.
That's cool. What are the components of the Linux OS?
Linux is built on a foundation consisting of the kernel, system user space, and applications.
What sets Linux apart from other operating systems?
What sets Linux apart is its open-source nature, released under the GNU General Public License, GPL. This allows anyone to run, study, modify, and redistribute the source code.
That's amazing. Why choose Red Hat?
As a leading contributor to the Linux kernel and associated technologies, Red Hat ensures the reliability, security, and performance of your infrastructure.
I'm excited to learn more about Linux. What topics will we cover in this series?
We will cover topics such as introduction to the shell, kernel and user spaces, file management, file system hierarchy, editing files using Vim, organizing users and groups, file permissions, managing software, configuring networking, controlling system startup processes, introduction to containers, overview of Cockpit, and learning more about Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.